Okay, so we're in our room, our beautiful room, but I'll go through everything now before we make a mess of it. Hello, welcome to Coral Sea Waterworks, Sharm El Sheikh. We've literally just arrived off the plane. I've still got my backpack on, but I want to do a quick room tour. This is my daughter Jasmine, in case you're new to this channel. My name's Louise, and this place has been a dream come true to come back to. So here we are. This is our balcony area. We've just come out and this is our room, so we're going to show you in there. It doesn't look much from that, but it's lovely. We're right near the little swimming pool, which is there, and so you come in here, and this is a room that can shut off. So I don't know what this is called, but it's like 2 rooms anyway, but they've probably given us a bigger room, so we've got a little bit more space, which is amazing. Not that we need all that space. So let's go to the front door and show you as we come into the room. So you come in the front door. You need this information, right? So they're always the same, aren't they? We always get the bathroom on this side, don't we, Jasmine? Do you notice that? We always get the bathroom on this side. So you come in, you do the usual electric trick where you put your card in there. Let's go into the bathroom. This one doesn't look like it's been newly refurbished. I know some of them have because my son was here last week. But nonetheless, we have a small bath. It's fine for us. It's not great for a 6-foot man, and a shower. You get all your towels included, which is amazing, and they're very nice. Mixer taps, what else might you need to know? There's a plug, which is handy, and you get these sorts of things. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like that this room's been used for a little while, but that's fine. Nice big what do you call that? Nice big ceramic sink, nice big mirror for all your selfies. God, it looks like my hair's been through the mill today. A hairdryer, which is awesome, and a mirror like that for doing your makeup and your close bits and things that you might need to do. So that's all lovely. And then in here we have a safe in the room, obviously, which is free to use. And then all your usual kind of wardrobe-y things that goes in a wardrobe. So there's some hangers, there's some spare pillows. We've got this side. All this is handy to know. So we've got some spare blankets, and it can get chilly at night time sometimes. There's an iron and an ironing board, which look completely fine. Where's my daughter gone? Oh, she's there. And then I'm going to flip the camera 1 second. So here's the bed, which is lovely. It's quite firm, but it is lovely. We've got little lamps on the side, which are really cute. And these little reading lamps as well, which are also nice. Oh, they're orange, which is good. That's good for your melatonin for going to sleep. Nice big bed, which is great. These lights are so sweet, aren't they? Really groovy, really funky. Massive mirror there again for yourself. Look how big that mirror is. A big telly. We don't use the telly much when we're here. Oh, they still do this laundry bag. It was always £20. Last time we was here was 9 years ago. So you can fill up this laundry bag. I don't know where the bag is. And you get all your washing done, so you go home with it clean, which is amazing. Sit there and do your makeup. Plenty of storage for all of your things. Tea and coffee facilities. I don't remember if they were here before. And they give you bottled water, so these big bottles here. Can't drink the water out of the tap, obviously. And there'll be a fridge, which is, there's a mini bar in here. Oh, you can ask for it to be filled in. But if you use it, you do have to pay for it. So there's a shop outside next door you can go to for that. A really nice seating area there. Telephone to reception, which might be important to you. Oh, bear in mind as well with the fridge, if you've got medications and things that need to stay in there, then they can stay there. Little drawers by the side of the bed, which is always handy to put a book or something, isn't it, Jazz? Yeah. This is a gorgeous, really nice decor, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think this room's been used in a little while because it's slightly dusty. And then you can obviously close this off. So if you've got kids and you want a little bit of privacy, you can do that. So this is where you're staying, Jasmine. I'm joking. But look, there's another television in here as well, which is amazing. And then obviously you've got your lovely big windows to let the light in. And just outside there is a balcony area where you can sit, which is lovely. Now the other side of the hotel is where you get the sun mostly, so we'll be in the shade here, but that side of the building is closed for some reason, so they couldn't give us a room over there, which is a shame. You generally have the same sort of there goes the chef. Where's he going to? He's probably going down to the Mermaid. I don't know if it's still called the Mermaid, but there was another restaurant. but that's for another time. So there's your room tour. I think I've probably covered all the basics that you're going to want to know. There is air conditioning in here as well. And let me just tell you a quick little bit about Wi-Fi. So there is Wi-Fi here that you can include very much. So, or you can pay 250 Egyptian pounds. It used to be 10 Egyptian pounds to £1, so it would have been about £25, but it's a lot less than that now. So that's going to cost a lot less in English money than £25. But you have unlimited use and up to 5 devices. So that's cool. A map of the place. Yeah, I don't know. What else might I need to know, Jazz, for a little room tour? Towels. These are your towels for the beach and the swimming pool. And you can change them over with your concierge person, the person that comes and cleans the room. And obviously for your shower, you've got not enough towels, but that's okay. You can request some more. So it's all cool. It's all lovely. I'm very happy. Are you?
Yes, very happy.
Yeah, great room. So there we go. I hope that's been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up and come back to see our vlogs of Coral Sea Water World Resort. We're going to have a great time here, aren't we, Jazz? I'm so excited.
We are.